twice. Wow. So a total per team, 10 games. Let's say in Group A, 10 games. Group B, they have also 10 games. Then after that, you get the top 4. Wow.
So this game here in Cagayan de Oro City will be aired internationally or just here locally?
Locally.
Local. So sir, yung malaman natin yung sino yung Magic 5 bukas.
Ay, ayoko.
Yeah. So, mga last messages sir or para sa Cagayan de Oro City.
First of all, we're happy we're playing here through the invitation of Mayor Uy, right?
Yes.
And I do believe we did some reach out program for the youth. So that's part of our mission vision. So we're happy that we're here. We're being taken care of well. And I think this is the second time in this year that it has been played in Cagayan de Oro. So I hope we can show the people a good game tomorrow.
Yes, we will support the game.
San Miguel is San Miguel.
Pero Warriors is Warriors.
Wow! I like that.
Sige na lang kami ni Manny.
Kapanayan po natin.